In today's fast-paced world, finding time for health and wellness can feel like trying to catch a fleeting shadow. We're all juggling jobs, family commitments, and a myriad of responsibilities that often push our health goals to the back burner. But imagine this. What if you could seamlessly integrate healthy habits into your busy life without sacrificing time or sanity? Welcome to the ultimate guide for the modern multitasker. This is not about overhauling your entire routine or spending hours at the gym. Instead, it's about making small, impactful changes that fit effortlessly into your daily grind. Ready to transform your health without turning your life upside down? Let's dive into some practical, quick tips that will keep you on track and feeling great no matter how hectic your schedule. 1. Start with smart planning. One of the keys to staying healthy when you're short on time is to plan effectively. Dedicate a few minutes each week to map out your meals and workouts. It doesn't have to be elaborate. A simple list of what you'll eat and when you'll exercise can make a world of difference. For meals, consider prepping a few dishes in advance. Cook in bulk and portion out meals for the week. This strategy not only saves you time, but also ensures you have nutritious options ready when you're in a pinch. Investing in quality storage containers will keep your food fresh and ready to go. 2. Make movement part of your routine. Finding time for exercise doesn't have to mean hitting the gym for an hour. Look for opportunities to incorporate movement into your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk or bike to work, or even do a quick workout during your lunch break. Short, high-intensity interval training, HIIT workouts can be incredibly effective and time efficient. Just 10-15 minutes of intense exercise can boost your metabolism and improve your fitness level. The key is consistency. Find small ways to keep moving throughout your day. 3. Opt for nutrient-dense snacks. When your schedule is packed, it's easy to reach for convenience foods that are low in nutrients. Instead, stock up on healthy snacks that are both quick and nutritious. Fresh fruit, nuts, yogurt, or homemade energy bars are great options. Prepare these snacks ahead of time and keep them within easy reach. This way, when hunger strikes, you'll have healthy options ready to grab and go, helping you avoid the temptation of unhealthy choices. 4. Stay hydrated on the go. Dehydration can make you feel sluggish and affect your overall health. To stay hydrated, carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. Set reminders on your phone if needed to ensure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Infusing your water with fruits or herbs can make drinking water more enjoyable and encourage you to stay hydrated. Plus, proper hydration supports your energy levels and helps maintain focus. 5. Practice mindful eating. Busy schedules often lead to rushed meals and mindless eating. To counteract this, practice mindful eating. Slow down and savor each bite, paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eating mindfully not only enhances your dining experience, but also helps you make healthier food choices. When you're present during meals, you're more likely to enjoy your food and feel satisfied with smaller portions. 6. Get quality sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for maintaining overall health, yet it's often overlooked by those with demanding schedules. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night to support your physical and mental well-being. Create a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation, such as reading, gentle stretching, or meditating. Avoid screens and heavy meals before bed to improve your sleep quality. Remember, good sleep is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. 7. Incorporate stress relief techniques. Managing stress is essential for maintaining health, especially when you're busy. Find quick stress relief techniques that work for you, whether it's deep breathing exercises, a short walk, or a few minutes of mindfulness. Even a brief break to relax and refocus can make a significant difference in your overall stress levels. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine to keep stress in check and support your well-being. 8. Make healthy swaps. You don't have to overhaul your diet to eat healthier. Start by making simple swaps. Choose whole grains over refined ones, opt for lean proteins, and add more fruits and vegetables to your meals. For example, swap sugary drinks for herbal teas or flavored water. Replace white bread with whole grain options. These small changes can lead to significant health benefits over time and are easy to implement. 9. Utilize technology. Leverage technology to stay on track with your health goals. There are numerous apps available for meal planning, fitness tracking, and mindfulness. Find ones that suit your needs and integrate them into your daily routine. Using apps to monitor your progress and set reminders can help you stay motivated and accountable. Many apps offer features that can simplify healthy living, making it easier to fit into your busy lifestyle. 10. Prioritize self-care. Lastly, don't forget the importance of self-care. Taking time for yourself is essential for maintaining balance and preventing burnout. Schedule regular breaks, engage in activities you enjoy, and make time for relaxation. Self-care can be as simple as enjoying a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or indulging in a bath. Prioritizing self-care ensures that you're not only physically healthy, but also mentally and emotionally balanced. By incorporating these tips into your busy life, you can make healthy living a reality without overwhelming yourself. Remember, it's about making small, manageable changes that fit into your routine and contribute to your overall well-being. Embrace these strategies, and you'll find that staying on track with your health goals is not only possible, but also rewarding.